This video will show you how to replace the air filter on a Ford Edge. This will be located along the driver's side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your air filter housing on the driver's side of the engine compartment. To do the air filter, it should be fairly simple overall. Along the inboard side of the housing, you're going to find that you have two locking clips. Just take hold of those and pull them down and out of place. Now after doing that, you'll find that you can lift up on the inboard side. But on the outboard side, all the way over towards the driver's fender, you're going to have three locating ears that slide into the lower housing. So once we lift this side, we have to carefully press it out and away, and then we can remove the air filter. But keep in mind you do have a mass airflow sensor wiring harness to contend with. That exposes the air filter. Let's go ahead and lift it up and out of here. Prior to installation of any brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect the mounting area. As far as an air filter is concerned, we need to make sure you don't have any miscellaneous debris inside of the housing. Now this looks good overall, so let's continue on with the installation of our air filter. As far as installing the air filter, we need to make sure we have it in the proper orientation. We'll have the filtering unit facing down. It would look just like this. We'll lift up on that upper housing. Go ahead and slide it into place. Make sure it's fully seated along the lower housing. Prior to closing the upper housing, just double check to make sure there's no debris on top of that air filter, which would get drawn into the engine. After that, we can bring this down to the proper positioning. We're going to start with our alignment tabs. For these alignment tabs, I'm carefully pulling up on the inboard side here. I'm rolling this down, and then we should be able to align it into the proper positioning. We may need to squeeze here. Press that in. All this is aligned. It's onto our two locking clips. Take hold of the upper housing, attempt to give it a wiggle. It should not pull away from the lower housing. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our vehicle's air filter. The next thing you want to do is start the vehicle. Let it run, make sure you have no check engine light. If you have a check engine light, you may have done something to your mass airflow sensor. Other than that, just go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.